Today, I will share with you the BMW 2008 750 E65 and E66 model. I will show you how to reset the oil life. Insert, you press it in. We're going to press only once. Start. Now on the panel, this is the switch right here, the knob on left side. We're going to press and hold. You hold it for like 5 seconds, then you will see the first one says engine oil. So we're going to press the same button once. Once we scroll to engine oil, now we're going to press it, and as soon as we're going to press it, watch on the screen and keep holding it. Now as you see, back reset engine oil appears. So we're going to press one more time. So we are on to reset engine oil. And now we're going to press the same button, and we're going to press it and hold it. And it's asking reset engine oil. Okay. We're going to press it one time. So as soon as we press once, it's a disappear. So now we are back into this screen, and we're going to keep pressing. As you can see, the engine oil, and now we're going to press it. That's it. So that's how you reset the oil life on your BMW. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.